Manipur lenga ke Department of Relief and Disaster Management amade National Disaster Management Authority na khosamna sinduna chahi ani ke matungda earthquake scenario gi matangda state level mock exercise ki tabletop conference pangthokre Babu Parada Laiba All Secretariat ki conference hall da pangthokiba tabletop exercise adu Government of Manipur Relief and Disaster Management ki Additional Chief Secretary MH Khan IAS amade National Disaster Management New Delhi ki consultant retired Major General Sudhir Balna chair Loduna Pangthok Kibagal in a state asigi stakeholders sing Susarugaki. Tharomadu retired General Sudhir Balna Pangthok Liba exercise Satuki Matanga state asigi district singi stakeholders sing the PowerPoint presentation Utuna Kangan K. Tharomadu ki matangda Paumi Singda Wangang Laduna Additional Chief Secretary MH Khan Haikibada Manipur asi John 5 the Lebana earthquake yamna sensitive oiba jaga ama oi kumja lising ani tara tarukta earthquake disaster asi Manipur mafam singda chaiting phangkiba adu ki matungda asigomba natural calamities asi lakpa matamda praja singda awareness pinanaba amade state asigi government functionaries singna karam by step sing lokhat payabage habadu ki matangda exercise asi pangthokani haike Mahangna Makata Raduna Lakliba Tang Kunma Trader Imphal East ki Porompata Leba Janim Samadi Imphal West ki Lamfelda Leba Sipeta Pungtara Makhaidagi mock drill Dogani Haiki.
Yam Maruiba earthquake ki problem Lakpibani, Aduga there was lot of damage. Adugi the mark of Karamahin section by Karamahin preparation to by Adugi training Nasi Afena PDA, Aduga Hayeng the actual mock drill exercise Afena Togadabin. Adugasi ki training Loiraga. Hayeng mock drill ki exercise akoina Imphal East ta Jenims Hospital da tawni aduga Imphal West ki Tail Patta Sipet ki building da adu tawtare adu da akhoi ki loinamak stakeholder hai batare district administration uiro police administration uiro medical uiro electricity uiro paramilitary force uiro army uiro assam uiro loinamagna asigi mock drill ki exercise da participation tawgani asidi exercise kari gi damakno hebadi public na su khanganan ba aduga kari awareness tawbaya adugi damaksu darkar leire aduga side by side akhoi gi government ki functionary mayam volunteer mayam aduga officer mayam moina su karamhain asigi earthquake lakpa matamda disaster ki handling hai batare adugi the makraman taurage adugi mock drill exercise ma togani
Tharomadu Saruyakiba retired Major General Sudhir Balna Haikibada Aikoina Todok Ama Toktori Haiduna prepare Toduna Leraba Matunda Tokliba Todok Aduki Matanga Kari Tabak Pakat Payabagi Habadu Kangane Maramasina earthquake Kumba natural calamities as it Tolapamatamda Aikoina Hana prepare Toduna Lehorabade Mioibagi Punsi Amade infrastructure Shinkan Badamating Oigane State Home Labor exercise Asida Hanwagi coordination exercising state key stakeholders Singa Pulaga Pangtokre Anish Shuboy na ngasi tabletop exercise ase pangthok laba matungda tang kunma thoida physical mock drill so pangthok na basem sare haina so makata na haike
that we are conducting jointly with the Manipur State Disaster Management Authority, and the aim is to validate our preparedness to take care of an earthquake disaster, God forbid if it happens in the state of Manipur. That's the aim of this exercise. This is a three-stage exercise in which first I come here and done a coordination conference and meeting with all the stakeholders of the state. There is also all other central stakeholders, the Army, Assam Rifles, CRPF, etc. Everyone was involved. So after this coordination, now we have come to the second stage, where today we are having a tabletop exercise. So in this tabletop exercise, we are going to discuss various scenarios and situations that will come up in case an earthquake happens and how are we going to deal with them. So after discussing this conceptually, then on tomorrow all these stakeholders are going to prepare, and on 21st then we will actually execute these actions on the ground physically and do this physical mock exercise. So this is what we are doing for next.
So how do you find this
part? I would say as of now it's too early for me to say, because we just started the tabletop exercise. But the first indicator of good preparedness is your willingness to participate and do a mock exercise. And let me tell you, Manipur is only the second state we are doing this mock exercise now. after more than 2 years once COVID happened.